Hi, Shopify store owner. I'm Ryan from Sixads, and I hope you're doing well today. Now, as we grow, it's only natural for us to get more and more questions. So, as usual, I'm here to help you out. Now, our question today is sixads worth it? Now, this is a fairly common question to ask. If an app you buy is worth the money you pay. So, before you commit, let's just check to make sure sixads is perfect for you. Now, sixads is a Shopify app, so it's best for small to medium-sized e-commerce businesses. It's going to be fantastic for entrepreneurs with little or no digital advertising experience, side hustles, one-man business, and of course, businesses owners who want to save time and focus on their other business tasks. However, I understand two sides to every coin, and sixads may not be the best advertising option for you if you advertise on channels other than Facebook, Google, or Instagram, as we simply don't offer other advertising on other platforms. It's not going to be good for you if you don't run an e-commerce store. Fairly simple, that one. And of course, if your business does not comply with Facebook's or Google's advertising policies. Now that you are sure that sixads is the perfect choice for you, let's check out what you're going to get once you've subscribed to our services. First of all, you'll get ads in 2 minutes with an easy setup process, pre-filled ad text, and preset ad visuals. This will save your time as the app generates ad text and chooses the visuals. This way you don't have to. And of course, no multiple advertising dashboards. That gets confusing, so you can run ads on Google, Facebook, Instagram through one single app. Super easy to understand and monitor ad performance. No complicated ad terms, no hard to navigate dashboards. Entrepreneurs like yourself don't need to have digital advertising experience to run these high-performing ads on the 3 most popular platforms when using us at sixads. Most importantly, you will have 24/7 customer support. So you can contact us at any time. We'll be here to help you solve all the app-related issues. Cheers.